Pozole rojo is my absolute favorite soup to make. Here are all the ingredients, and I'll have a list of everything in the description below. But first, what you want to do is prep your chilies. Make sure you're wearing gloves while you're doing this because these are very hot. So you're going to start with 3 guajillo chilies and 2 ancho chilies, and you need to de-stem and remove all the seeds. And if you leave the seeds in, it'll make your soup bitter. That's why you need to get rid of them. So you're going to break everything down and take out all the seeds. And you'll notice the ancho chilies actually have a lot of seeds, so you really need to make sure you get rid of them. Yep, there it is. And then here's everything once they've been prepared. And then next you want to chop up your onion. You can chop it any which way you like. It doesn't really matter because it's going to get blended up in the blender. But just chop it up roughly. And then next you want to reconstitute your chilies and make them malleable. So you're going to add them to a pot with some olive oil, and then I'm adding in the onion and 1/4 cup of garlic. And you're just going to cook everything on a medium-low heat until you start to get some color and the chilies are pliable. And then you're going to add in your spice mixture. I'm using oregano, cumin, and black peppercorn. And you're going to, again, cook on medium-low heat. And you're going to cook until the spices become very fragrant. And then add in a little bit of stock. I'm using vegetable stock, but you can use any stock that you have on hand. So just cook it on medium-low heat. And then you're going to cover it and cook until it comes up to a simmer, and then remove the cover and cook for another 5 minutes. And then you're going to add everything to your blender and then mix it all up. Once it's done blending, you should have this really beautiful red paste. Next, in the same pot you cooked everything, you're going to brown your pork butt, and you're going to cook it on each side and make sure you get some good color. Next, add in your paste to the pot with the pork butt, and then I'm adding in 2 cans of hominy. Make sure you wash out your hominy before you add it in, and then just mix it all up with some salt. And then add in the rest of your vegetable stock and stir it all up. And then you're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 hours, or until the pork butt is nice and tender, and make sure you have it covered up. Periodically check the seasoning and add in some lime juice and salt. I ended up cooking my soup for 4 hours, and as you can see here, the pork butt's nice and tender and ready. And then just plate everything up in a nice little soup bowl, and I'm garnishing with just some lime wedges.